It's great being out here, but I heard that maybe the abominable snowman might be around. Hello! Welcome back to IT Pro TV's 12 Days of IT, where we're unboxing 12 different IT gadgets, then giving them away. Now, today's the 5th day of IT, and that means Ronnie will be unboxing a Blue Yeti mic. Now, if you haven't already registered to win, head over to itpro.tv/12days to sign up. Then tune into our YouTube Live on Friday, December 10th at 2 p.m. Eastern to see if you're a lucky winner. If you won't miss a day, so be sure to subscribe to this channel and jingle the bell for notifications. All right, it's time for Ronnie to unbox the Yeti. Ronnie, take it away.
Thank you, Zach. This is Blue's Yeti microphone. So if you're actually going to be on YouTube, this is probably considered, of course, the professional standard. That's actually a USB mic. Let's go ahead and jump right into this. Now, before we do that, there's a couple of neat things that we wanted to point out as well, just in the packaging itself. So when we take a look at it, there, of course, is going to be the front, and then, of course, all the neat details on the side there, but then special features defining, of course, what a Yeti is going to be. So all this is actually kind of really neat in terms of the packaging itself. And let's go ahead and jump right into this. So I'm going to cut this open here at the top so that we can get access into this and open it up. All right, so as we open this thing up, you'll see it's kind of very nicely packaged here, so that at least this guy can't get into it very easily. Oh, let me see if I can hold it on the side. There we go. That'll make it a little bit easier. I'll pull that off to the side. Another piece of tape. That will then open up. Nope, actually it's this way. There we go. So we have a USB-C to micro USB-C cable for us to be able to plug into the microphone itself and into our computers. Of course, directions on the USB Yeti microphone itself from Blue, and warranty information in multiple languages. A little bit of foam there. And then, well, 2 or 3 pieces of foam goes in there. Now, it is kind of inverted for the microphone. Some silica gel. Now I can loosen. And there's a little protector. And we can tighten this up. And now we have our microphone where we can adjust and mute. And on the bottom, its ability to be able to adjust into the regular stand that you might actually choose to mount this on as well. And on the side, it is our USB connector, and then an output for your headphones if you want to, if you're plugging in, of course, to your computer as well. Another feature, of course, is going to be this kind of round knob here that actually gives us the 4 different patterns that we can have, so that we can actually twist that and choose what we want to, and then, of course, a gain button up here at the top. So there it is. This is actually going to be available to you on the 12 Days of IT. All you have to do to enter and win is to click on that link.
Oh, a Yeti mic, not the scary kind of Yeti. Thanks, Ronnie. Would you like to win that or any of the gadgets from the 12 Days of IT? Well, then head over to itpro.tv/12days to sign up on Friday, December 10th. Tune in at 2 p.m. Eastern right here for a YouTube Live and see if you're a winner. Go ahead and subscribe to the IT Pro TV YouTube channel right now and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss a day. See you tomorrow for the next gift. Yeti.